One thing that's very important in the fall and even in the spring, or anytime the water temperature is cool, today we're dealing with water temperatures in the mid 40s to low 40s, and these fish just don't like to chase a lot of things. You want to make it as easy as possible, basically is what I'm getting at. And what I like to do when working a hair jig, a jig in a plastic, or even a blade bait is I want to control my fall rate. What I mean by that is when I raise that bait off the bottom, I actually want to hover it as long as possible, making it super easy for these fish. And so when I lift it up, I actually hold my rod, if not slowly keep lifting the rod to just hover that bait or glide that bait. We're dealing with a river situation here, and so that river is almost like a conveyor belt. If I hold that bait off the bottom, it's just basically going to drift downstream right into the fish's mouth, making it super easy. They don't have to chase. It's just one of those things where these fish are setting up a lot of times in locations where they can just sit there and let the current bring the food to them, and that's exactly how I'm trying to deliver my bait. A lot of times I'm casting 90 degrees to a 45 so it can sweep across. I can cover a lot of water, but the bottom line is you want to make it as easy as possible in these cool temperatures to get a lot more bites at the end of the day.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.